Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, we have something new and exciting to show you. This is the PRO X Superlight 2 DEX, an incredible piece of gaming tech that with its unique shape and ergonomic build becomes an extension of you. So let's get into it. Inside the box, you get the DEX, a LIGHTSPEED dongle, a USB-A to C cable, an extender, an additional puck with PTFE to customize your friction, grip tape, a cleaning cloth, and some documentation. Before we get into the accessories, let's check out the mouse. Let's take a moment to appreciate the engineering in this shape. The asymmetric tilt provides an extremely comfortable grip that was designed in collaboration with 30 esports athletes, and it is truly excellent. On the top, you have a tactile scroll wheel and your left and right buttons. Powering these buttons are our LIGHTFORCE hybrid opto-mechanical switches, which combine the feel of mechanical switches with the precision of optical switches. On the front, you have the USB-C charge port. On the side, you'll find two customizable buttons, power switch, the Hero 2 sensor, which delivers a stunning 44K DPI, and this puck. The puck can be swapped for the extra that has more PTFE surface, and even though the DEX provides up to 95 hours of battery life, the puck can be swapped for a PowerPlay enabled puck, which allows you to game wirelessly without ever charging. Moving back to the accessories, the grip tape can be used to customize the grip of your mouse. With this mouse weighing in at a very Spartan 60 grams, the grip tape can provide a more secure grip. The cleaning cloth is a nice addition to help you keep things tidy, and the charge cable and extender are provided to help you customize your setup. For more information on the best way to set these up, please check out our video on connecting your LIGHTSPEED mouse. This is an amazing machine. With the power efficiency of Hero 2, LIGHTSPEED, and LIGHTFORCE, you get up to 95 hours of battery life on a single charge. And the Hero 2 sensor can be custom calibrated with independent X and Y, custom lift tolerance, and more to match your playstyle. All of this, as well as button mapping, are all available via G-Hub. I hope that answers any questions you may have had about what this mouse is, what it can do, and what's in the box. If you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.